All right, everybody. I'm tired of getting this question. Everybody's like, can you change the oil with the skid plate on it? And the answer is yes, you can. So I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see. There's the hole right there for the drain spout. And then over here, I keep the cover off and you just whoop, 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 unscrew that. Also, I have a bunch of the oil filters for sale at ridgelinestore.com for 10 bucks free shipping. Comes with the compression washer. So I'm going to show you how to change your oil with the skid plate. I've done this in my garage as well on the floor with the ramps. I always suggest when you change your oil to go ahead and drop your skid plates and wash them, because mine, if you use them like I do, because you get a lot of mud and stuff up in there. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to change the oil today with the skid plate on. Enjoy. All right, let's start from a distance, and what I'll show you is here's the skid plate. It is mounted. I do have a lift today. I'm at work, so I get rid of this so it's off of there. There is your oil filter, and then down here is your drain plug right there. And all I do is just take that off and out she comes. All right, so what you're gonna use is a 17 millimeter. Pop it right up in there so I can get to it. Pop that up there. And I already loosened it up, but that's it right there. So I'm going to drop this down. All right, there you go. See? Got the opening perfect. You're getting a little drip in there, but it's not that bad. All right, we'll let this baby drain out. A good old American, made in China spike. So I hammered that in there. So I'm gonna take that off and then put the new one in there. But yeah, you'll get some drip on it. We'll just wipe it down and it'll be good to go. And then you will, this is how I send them to you, part number. And the same oil filter fits all the Hondas, let's say 95%, 99% of the Hondas. And you'll get a compression washer. Make sure you replace that. That's very important. And again, I will clean all this up afterwards. Put that up there. And yes, it is easier to change it with taking the oil or the skid plate off, but I'm just showing you, you can do it with the oil or the skid plate on to do an oil change. Make sure you get that compression washer on there. That is going to save you so much irritation and aggravation the next time that you go to change your oil. Just get that thing snugged up there. There you go, good to go. Now we'll clean that up a little bit and get some oil on the old ring or on the new ring, and we'll put it on there. Just get a little of the old oil. Put it on that ring. This is what my dad taught me. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're supposed to put oil on this ring, does it do anything? Do we need to pre-treat the oil filter? Just let me know. Then yeah, we'll screw that guy up snug, give it a quarter turn. I'll clean all this up and we will be back. All right, we got the oil filter in there. Let's see if I can look down in here and see how much oil I spilled. Not that bad. But again, like I said, I recommend you remove your skid plates every time you change the oil, because if you use them like I do, and you can tell I use my skid plates, that you should remove them to get all the mud and the dirt out of them. Also, I'm going to be removing this loop for the drivetrain today, and then I'll be banging this piece of aluminum off. I may just take that out, I don't know. But yeah, I do have a little oil left up in there. It's leaking. I hit it with some brake cleaner. But yeah, if you have any questions, put some stuff down in the comments. Like, subscribe, you know the drill. Visit ridgelinestore.com. Oh my, look at my muffler. Woo, hot mess. Alrighty, so we'll get this in there. So just to let you know, I've taken off the engine cover, because it has insulation on it. So I thought that was keeping a lot of heat into the engine, as well as I've taken that insulation off. And then when I go on the trails, I release the hood just so it's on the safety latch, and I take a water bottle and stick it in there so that it keeps the hood open. I do that on my old Jeep XJ, and it actually, after I had that overheating problem last week, I didn't have anything else, but I am still going to, I mean, the front of the truck is gonna get cut right here on this line and wrapped around, and then we're gonna build that bumper. And then inside there is the transmission cooler. And one of my friends sent me over a link for a fan. It's actually right in there. Let me hit pause and turn the light on. There you go. So you can see the transmission coolers are very small. So we're gonna get a bigger one, start with a fan, and see how that works. But I've only had 2 occasions where I got a warning for the transmission cooler. All right, so when I was talking about popping the hood when I'm on the trail, that's what I do so that the safety latch is on there, right? And then I take a water bottle, push it up in there, and then that keeps the hood from bouncing up and down. So just doing that on the trail, taking those heat shields off, kept everything cool. Reset this, holding this down, the reset button for about 10-15 seconds. They should reset it. There we go. And if you don't know which button I'm talking about, it's this button right here. So you'll scroll through your interface. When you get to the oil, you'll hit reset, hold that for like 10-15 seconds. Scroll up, hit reset. What did I do? There it is, reset completed. All right, 100% oil life. All right, so there you have it. I changed the oil on the Ridgeline today with the skid plate on. It is messy, but you can do it. You just have to wipe everything down. I always recommend, like I said, I've said it 15 times in this video, to go ahead and remove the skid plates and wipe them down, spray them off, put them back up if you go trailing a lot. If you don't, just leave them on and change the oil, let them drain out, and just hit it with some have a little bit of spillage in there, so go ahead and hit it with some brake clean and a rag, and you'll be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all the cool camping gear that I have down in the description. I have coupon codes for all kinds of stuff. We're selling Blackbeard fire starter now, so that's pretty awesome. Love that stuff, as well as we have their lighter, which looks like something from Star Wars. All right, guys, put some questions down there, some comments of what you want to see coming up, and videos that you want me to do, and we will do them. Thanks to everyone who has purchased from the Ridgeline Store. Like I said, we've already celebrated a 1-year anniversary. The auto idle stopper is a big seller, so is the SVCM controller, as well as the skid plates, the HRG lift kit. What else? The bed covers. We're starting to get those in again. Nothing new on the tents, but yeah, we're gonna start carry more passports, so hopefully we can get some passport followers here. Make sure you share the video, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Appreciate everybody. Have a great day.